Hello guys, good morning and welcome to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be sharing a quick Binance update with you guys. For those who don't have Binance and for those who already are on Binance, you can easily earn some quick cash using this update that I will share for you guys. So this update is actually a Binance promotion that is currently running. You won't see it on the platform. I checked it before, but they sent it to me via email. So I'm going to show you guys this update and I'm going to show you the mail and how you can go about it. So stick to the end of this video to see how you can earn from this update. So the update is actually the coin you will be earning from this update. It's a BUSD token. So BUSD is a stable coin and it's an equivalent of the US dollar. So if you have one BUSD, that means you have $1. And if you are from Nigeria currently, $1 is equivalent to around let me say 730 to 750, at some rates 800 self. So on Binance it's currently around 730 something. So if you have one BUSD, you have $1. If you have 10 UBSD, that means you have around $10. That's like 75. So that's something. If you have that free money from Binance, it's really something to do with. So let me quickly show you guys how to go about it. But before that, for the sake of those who haven't registered on Binance, I'm going to show you how to just quickly register and verify your account, because your account needs to be verified on Binance for you to actually benefit from this offer. So if you are new to Binance, you just download the app and register your account. If you register using my referral link in the description below, or you download the app using my referral link, there I have a bonus that I'm going to share with you guys. You just chat me up on my WhatsApp line and you get your free bonus. So to sign up, you just click on this and let's wait. Okay, it's going to load up. You just need your phone number and your email. It's not much of a big deal to sign up in Binance. You just click on sign up with email. You input your email, password, and check this, and create your personal account. So if you're using phone number, you can also do that, but you still need to include your email for added security. Now, once you have done that, you are going to see uh, your dashboard. Your dashboard is going to, let me see. Uh, okay, once you have done that, you're going to see your dashboard, but it's not going to be like this. I want to see something, if I can show you. Okay, anyway, I've seen this is what I'm looking for. So good. Now, once you as a new user to Binance, once you create your account, your dashboard is going to be this way, but you don't need to freak out. It's something you can change, and you're going to see this tag. This verified tag is going to show you verified now. So before you verify your account, you need your name, your passport, and you need to take photo. But I think Binance has made all this easier now. You just need your identity ID and you're good to go. So to switch this mode off, this is the Binance Lite mode. You can't trade on this mode. Features here is very limited, so uh, you switch off the light mode. It's going to take you to Binance Pro. This is the Pro mode where you can trade and you can see every benefit that you can receive from Binance. So now once you have switched to Pro mode, the next thing you do is to verify your identity. You click on verify your identity. You just follow the steps, input your, if you are using your international passport, NIN, or whatever you are using, just verify. Once this has been approved, they are going to send you a mail that they are going to just take some hours to verify your account and all that. It's just formalities. Once you have your Binance account and is verified, the next thing you need to have is your referral ID. You need to take your referral ID for this update. So okay, before that, let me quickly show you how to get what the update is all about. So this is the mail I got from Binance this morning around 3:55 a.m. So Binance refer and win challenge. This is it. So you earn 3,000 BUSD in gift card, and this promo is started running I think 3 days ago, and it's going to end in on the 28th of this month. So I think we have about 17 days to run through with it. So to actually participate in this promo, there are some certain things you need to do. You need to fill out this form to register, to apply for the promo. And don't forget, it's on a first come first serve basis, so you need to do this actively and immediately after watching this video, so that you have the chance of being eligible to claim from this bonus. And you might still need to complete your verification like I told you, and get your referral link. So you can click on any of these things. Have to do that and fill out this form. When we click on this form, let's see, let me open the link. What you need to do with the form is just to input your you just need to input your Binance UID and your referral ID. So I think that's okay. Just once. Oh, fuck. This is taking much time. Let me open it on Google Forms and Chrome. Okay. So this is it. It shows my response has already been recorded. Okay. So for you, what you have to do is just there's a form there. You just fill it out, and that's all. So don't forget to, well, there's nothing much to say. Just quickly log into your account, and if you don't have your account, create an account, register, sign up, and start referring and start earning updates. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share these videos with your folks so that they can also get in on the update with you, and subscribe to my channel so that you keep receiving updates like this, sharp updates at NU Cash. And if you're not here, this is the Binance Home tab. If you slide through all their notifications, okay, this is 50,000 USD. You won't see that promotion here, so I think it's a promotion that they want everyone to gain from. So I'm sharing this as your leverage. You guys can just do this and get started with it. Every link that you need is in the description of this video. So just take it, register, and don't forget to register with my link. Chat me up and get your special gifts that is being made available for you. Have a good day.